as the Colorado Avalanche looks for another 2 points in the friendly confines of Pepsi Center. But it won't come easy, as tonight they welcome in the defending Stanley Cup champion Washington Capitals and Alexander Ovechkin. As Karlsson is back to get it. Far side, Barrie couldn't hang on, but here's Jost just on the ice working about the surface. Score! Big old Carl Soderberg on a perfect feed from Tyson Jost. And 1 minute and 8 seconds into the contest, it's the Avalanche on top of the Capitals. 1-0.
And here comes Tyson Jost. Picks it up, the confidence around on the backhand. Look at Carl. Put it in, buddy.
It hops through McKinnon, far side, Barrie in pursuit. He'll slam it back down deep. Comes to McKinnon in the near corner. Holding and looking, centering pass. Landeskog shoots. Saved by Copley. Gabe Landeskog finding a soft spot in the slot. Meadow long shot there. That missed, and it's swatted to the near side. I thought it might have been a piece of a stick, but it was not. Ahead, here comes McKinnon. He's got a breakaway. Shoots, and it's saved by Copley. He's now robbed Landeskog and McKinnon here in period number 1. Sent up and out. Eller got behind Andrew Ghetto, walking in. Put the brakes on. Finds Wilson out in front. Shot saved by Grubauer. And he'll jump on top of the rebound. Backstrom standing. Tipped into the slot. Ovechkin looking, shooting, saved by Grubauer. And he's going to hang on. Well, that one rolled right over to Alexander Ovechkin. And Philip Grubauer, well, I guess if anybody knows the tendencies of the Washington power play, it's going to be him. Olaf with a shot, it's deflected away and blocked, picked up by McKinnon. Into the cap zone, he'll peel and hold. Out of the box comes Sheldon Dries. Abs 1-for-1 out in front for Landeskog. Saved by Copley. Twice Landeskog's been robbed by the young netminder. At the red line, picked up by Girard. For the Avalanche line, good back check there by Andrew Ghetto to take it away from Backstrom. Turnover, watch out, Ovechkin shoots, hit the post! To the near side, Wilson sends it out in front, and nobody home for the Caps. It goes through Backstrom, Abs turned it the other way, Andrew Ghetto now to Matt Calvert. Back to the near corner, Svent gives it up, shot saved by Copley, rebound swatted at by Dries, and Phoenix Copley is able to gobble it up as Dries got bear hugged in the blue paint. That puck went right through Mikko Rantanen, picked up, and here comes Ovechkin. The Avalanche zone, looking, holding, shooting, save, rebound, saved by Grubauer. Where's that puck? It's underneath him, and Grubauer throws his blocker in the air. Tom Wilson crashing in right to the front of the Avalanche net.
Well, we can all agree that Grubauer has brought his A game tonight. He has been as sharp as attack, and I thought this might go off a body.
And that he is playing for her tonight and all throughout the season, guys.
Ovechkin with a shot, saved by Grubauer, he'll hang on. Up top, Orlov, back to Ovechkin, one-timer, blocked by Barberio with his backside, and he boots it up. It does not come out. Off the leg, Landeskog steals it, and he's on the move. He and Ian Cole are having a laugh about it. I'm sure he's explaining exactly where it caught him. Grubauer able to stick it away. Cross-ice pass, out in front, shot, score! Devontae Smith-Pelly ties the game at 1 on a great cross-ice feed, got Grubauer down and out.
We got all the guys back, tipped into the corner. We got 4 guys all looking at 1. Wow, too easy.
Taken by Copley, throws it up the boards, and a terrific play by the Washington netminder. It comes onto the stick of Verona. He'll race in, down low, shoot, saved by Grubauer. Fed out into the slot, and the Avs able to knock it away. Got away from Backstrom. Into the far corner, McKinnon. Barberio with a shot. Hit the post! Tried to go short side, he rang it off the iron. Rantanen. The near side, one-timer Karlsson, save, rebound, saved by Grubauer. Centering pass off the leg, and it comes out. What a tremendous save on the second opportunity by Philip Grubauer. In the neutral zone, kicked ahead by Dries. In pursuit now is Calvert. Got tied up, centering pass. Shot, save, rebound. Overskated by Soderberg on a bouncing puck. Barrie to Cole with a shot, save Copley. And the kid has really settled down to keep this a 1-1 game. Swats at it, but can't get to it. And there's Tom Wilson to bang it ahead. Ovechkin drops it for Backstrom. Back to Alexander Ovechkin. Cuts it in the middle, looking for a shooting lane. Found it and scores. That's what Alexander Ovechkin can do. He's so patient with the puck, finds his spot, able to rifle it home. And the Capitals late in period number 2 take a 2-1 lead.
Well, you come across the blue line, one of the greatest goal scorers of all time, and give him that much room and space. Wow, was that a missile, a rocket top shelf.
Gives it off for Mikko Rantanen. Here comes Rantanen down the right wing. Rantanen sweeping and holding. Centering pass gets through. Comes to Cole down low with his shot. Saved by Copley, and it goes up into the screen. I believe he got a piece of that with his blocker. And the young Caps netminder playing strong. Stagnant here. Centering wide. Walking in. Orlov holding, looking, shooting. Wide of the net. Dmitry Orlov, dangerous. The Avs catch a bit of a break, and it's iced by Matt Calvert.
Oh, that was a huge break for the Avalanche, because I thought Orlov was going to shoot this earlier. Right here he comes across, you're thinking, wow, that's an opportunity. Everybody's sliding. And then that catch, maybe just the blocker. Let's take a look right here. The shot across. Oh, Moj went right off the knob of the stick. Orlov knows it. Saved by an inch. Wow.
Centering pass broken up. Jokes to Kerfoot. Ahead for Soderberg. Could be a 2-on-1. Carlton Black. Shot saved by Copley. It might have been going wide anyway.
And Kamenev just misses.
Boyd had nowhere to go with it. There's Jost now. Into the neutral zone. Had it poked free. Picked up by Kerfoot. Into the Caps end. Alexander Kerfoot. Creating space. Shoots. Saved by Copley. Shot saved by Copley. He'll jump on top of the rebound as Andrighetto tried to get it on this second opportunity. Now Phoenix Copley, what has gotten into him?
Wow, this is a great rush.
Copley got a piece of it, rolls into the corner. Kennedy is there. Wilson takes it away. Reaching in Girard. Back behind the net, Colin Wilson. Centering pass. Cole with his shot. Hit him by Scott. Colin Wilson cleans up the rebound. Hammers it in and out. And the Avs have tied the game at 2 as Wilson rips home his 5th of the season.
It took almost 17 and a half minutes to work to get a goal.
So the Washington Capitals are challenging.
So watch, hits Calvert, doesn't prevent Copley from making the save, and then the rebound luckily goes over to Wilson.
By the time that puck is on Wilson's stick for a microsecond, Copley's already free. Let's listen in.
Decision on the ice stands. We have a good goal.
There you go. Avs have tied the game at 2. Devontae Smith-Pelly. Oh, look like the Avs are going to have an opportunity and a penalty coming up on the Avalanche. Going to be a hold with 1:09 to go in regulation. Ian Cole's going to go to the box. Soderberg momentarily. Carl trying to get that puck away. Kicked up top for Backstrom. Far circle. Back to Backstrom. Walks in and shoots and scores. And the Washington Capitals have won in overtime on a power play goal by Nicholas Backstrom.
Well, I think Backstrom does so well right here. Ben, you don't know what he's going to do. He's got Wilson back down low. He's got Ovechkin to his left. He walks in, and if you're a guy like Grubauer, you know that Backstrom is usually that kind of guy that moves the puck. Well, he doesn't on this particular situation, or in this particular situation. It's just a perfect shot.
The Avs, though, do pull out a point here with a late goal by Colin Wilson, but not the result they wanted overall as they fall 3-2.